Come on, Copper. Come on. Come on. Come here. Copper. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on, Copper. Come on. Come on.
Oh, that's horrible.
Come on.
It's over his head.
Come on.
Oh.
Come on. Come on.
Oh, he'll be worn out by the time we get down here.
Whoa, there's the bricks right there. Come on. Come on. Come on.
Oh, poor baby.
Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Get him to that. If he can get to that next part, he'll be fine. Where I am.
Oh, it's getting better, Copper. It's getting better.
Copper, you gotta stay in the trail.
Oh. This is insanity.
I don't think he peed yet.
He didn't pee yet.
Where'd he go?
Okay, I thought it was better. It was better.